In this video, we will discuss how to convert bootable USB vacuum to non-bootable or normal USB. Here you can see I have a bootable USB with Windows. I have to convert it back to its normal form, so that I can use it again for storage. Go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. After cmd opens, type here the command diskpart. This will open up another cmd window. Now, type list disk and hit enter. It will list up all the available disks in your PC. Carefully select USB disk by looking storage size. As you can see, I have a USB of 29 GB. So I will type select disk 1 and don't forget to press enter. Type clean and hit enter to continue. Create partition primary. Now, we have successfully created the specified partition. Type active to continue. Now, we have to format our USB, so type the command shown on the screen. Wait for some time, so that cmd can complete the process. At the end, type assign and then exit to properly unboot USB. Congrats! You have successfully unbooted your USB. Now, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Thanks.